This is how you can customize the new public-facing art portal with GraphicsFlow. When you're in your account, very straightforward here, art portal link, you're able to come in and manage your settings. So again, really simple, just to take you down the line here. We can enable or disable that art portal. That's going to apply to both the micro website option as well as the embed option. Shareable link is right here. That's again going to direct them to that micro site. And then your stock art assets, so really easy to control which of those are displaying to your customers on that public site. For navigation, we're able to create those custom links to link off to a third-party site, maybe your e-commerce site, with the ability to add additional links as needed. You can also turn off the need help or contact us options or just leave those there, making sure to update navigation as you work your way down the page. For notifications, those are really straightforward. We're either doing a contact us notification or a design request notification. For both of the situations, really anybody who is in GraphicsFlow as a member of your team is able to be added to those notifications. Display settings are going to apply to that micro website option that I'll show you in a moment. This really allows you to brand it with your shop colors and your logo, as well as controlling that size a little bit as well. Header text and description, definitely suggest branding that to your shop's information. And then lastly, you have your embed code. So this would be if you want the art portal to display on your custom third-party site, you're able to come down here, copy the embed code, copy that into the code of your external page and have that display. So that way the customer is having that great artwork experience on your custom third-party site instead of the micro website that's provided. Now, this is going to be the micro website, so you can see here our branding at the top with our logo, and then our customers are able to browse through all of those design selections. The portal is super simple to set up, it's very straightforward, and it's a breeze to work with.